So if you've got general queries, I'll be answering your queries at the end of the session. Yes. Fine. In a simple way, I'll just define, right, developing systems. Developing systems that can perform tasks. Performing tasks that require. Developing systems that are performing tasks that require human intelligence. Human intelligence. Developing systems, you can say, that can perform tasks that require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, decision making, right? Yes. Learning, problem solving, decision making. In a simple way, so generally data science and artificial intelligence, generally people ask generative AI, agentic AI, right? In a simple way, generative AI, right? Just creates, just in a simple way, creates new content. It just creates new content like a text or image, it like text or image, right? By learning patterns from data. We talk about agentic AI, in agentic or AI agents. Focuses on making decisions. Right? Yes. And executing actions. Focus on making decisions and executing actions to achieve the required goals, right? In a simple way. Generative AI, generative AI in a simple way, right, is about creation. Generative AI is about creation. Agentic AI, is about action and a decision making. Action and decision making. So generative AI, if I talk generative AI, it's a subset of AI designed to create a new original content. So generally this generative AI, I doesn't want to enter into more into the technicals as of now, not to make you confused. I'll go in step-by-step manner, but just to know that what is the course like data science, AI and generative AI, first defining those. So I can say generative AI, subset of AI, it just creates new original contents by learning the patterns from the data. It keeps learning patterns and structures from the data sets. And it uses that knowledge to generate new outputs like texts, images, music, or code, right? Generative AI, for example, if we talk about ChatGPT for text, DAL-E for images, and various tools for code generations. If I talk like agentic AI, it's a system designed for, or it's focused on making decisions, taking autonomous actions, and to achieve the specific goal or the required goal, right? So it is agentic AI. It is a combination of tools, memory and knowledge, perform tasks, some robotic systems, Self-driving cars are some examples like this, like a goal-oriented automation, decision-making, and task execution. So as I said, the simple difference, if you see the difference, right? AI, this is focusing on creation, while agentic AI focuses on actions and decision makings. Generative AI, I said, produces new data content, whereas agentic AI executes the workflows. Yes. So this is just on this. Okay. So you may ask, just immediately students keeps asking, right? Just what will be learning as part of this course? In brief, in depth, you'll be getting the total knowledge about this entire full stack data science and this AI with advanced AI techniques, right? Generative AI and agentic AI. You can see that course content in brief, in depth. It's a 5 months course. It's a course overview, right? So, so here implementations, right? We'll be using Python language. So the first, like Python. So just I'll be briefing you about Python and this Python functionalities. Different. And even in Python, like data analysis, what we do. Data analysis using NumPy and pandas. NumPy and pandas.